Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to shape your eyebrow using a razor blade. So firstly, I applied spirit on a cotton wool and I'm just using it to wipe the eyebrow area to take away any kind of dirt or oil on the eyebrow. Next, I'll be using a spoolie brush, also known as a brow brush, to brush through the eyebrow, just blending it and putting it in shape, just the way I'm doing in the video. I'm going to be using the tiger razor blade for this tutorial, but you can also use any other razor blade. I start with combing the hairs upwards and using the razor blade to bring down carefully, shape the hairs that are out of place. You want to be careful when doing this. Don't do too much at a time because you are going to still come back to it. Always brush through your hair while doing this. For the lower part of the eyebrow, you can see I just brushed through the eyebrow and I raised the eyebrows up slightly, and just as the same above, I was just removing the excess of hairs at the lower part of the eyebrow. Emphasis on excess. You want to trim or shape your eyebrow to get your perfect shape, not to cut or remove everything. As you can see, at this point I try to raise her arc upwards and I shape inwards more, just to bring out the shape of the arc. I go over the process again at the top and I do some other finishing touches below, and voila, eyebrow number 1 is ready. I'm off to the next one right now, and we are just going to repeat the processes of the first eyebrow, just the same thing. Watch and see, guys. eyebrow number 2 is ready. I'll be adding some finishing touches to the eyebrows now. I just take a look at the both of them and see if there's any place or area that needs touching, and I'll just quickly do that. If you watch up to this point, please give this video a thumbs up, like the video, drop any comments. If you have any questions, drop it, I'm going to answer you. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, it's absolutely free. Please subscribe. Next, I'll just be going in with some coconut oil. I applied it on the cotton wool and I used it to moisturize the surface just to reduce any form of irritation that will occur after using the blade. And finally, we are done with our eyebrow. Hope you are going to try this out. If you try it out, let me know your outcome. It's very easy. You can achieve it in less than 5 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.